I guess we can tack this on to it, make it a little more interesting. So we lived on Berry Street, right back down there, third house on the right down there. And like I said, the depot was moved further up here. It was up here. And when the railroad did their thing, they, I think, gave it to the city of Decatur or whoever. But it's with the requirement that they move it back away from the tracks. It used to be right up here at the tracks. When we were kids, we used to play under this thing. There were rats under that thing as big as a cat. I mean, we played under there. They didn't scare us. We didn't scare them. We'd come up here and put pennies on the track. Get a haircut over at Willie Bradford's barbershop over there, either for a dime or a quarter. I don't know which it was now. But we would play on these tracks, play on the train cars, the box cars, and all kind of stuff all the time. I have a lot of video of Decatur. I have one telling the story of Bozo the dog down there on the dirt road down there. Runs between Berry and Hilliard up there. If y'all want to check out the videos at Crowbird Videos on YouTube or RCMCRMC on YouTube, please like, share, and subscribe. Really need the viewers, the subscribers, and the watch hours and the time. We are trying to get this channel to where it'll at least break even. And it is a long way from it, so watching, viewing, sharing, liking would help a whole lot. If somebody were to have a crazy thought to contribute, there is a contribution button on PayPal that will go directly to a PayPal account. But I'm not asking for that. I would like to have the views, the shares, the watch hours, and the subscribers. That will take, enough of that will take care of what I need. But, you know, that is available, and there have been several, and we really do appreciate them. I mean, that is awesome if somebody likes the videos enough to make a contribution. But anyway, we thank everyone that watches the videos, whether it's a one-time thing or a multi-time thing. We have close to 3,700 videos now. Yeah, we lived right down the street, third house on the right, 125 Berry Street. We sold that house for $17,000. It was a duplex. We should have kept it. But there's a lot of stuff we should have done, should have kept, or whatever. But anyway, this will wrap this one up. We're waiting on one to finish editing so we can share it now. Our first video, historic scenic videos of Atlanta. So this will get it. Again, thanks to everyone who watches the videos once or multiple times. Sunday, the 2nd of November, 2025. We're here at the Decatur Depot in Decatur. This is the second City of Decatur Welcome to Decatur blue light special we have seen. We're right here at the depot, and there's a train coming. So we're going to get a train here in the City of Decatur. It'll be our very first. We got about 3 or 4 trains yesterday. We're going to be recording this with the Google Pixel 9 Pro and also the Insta360 X3. We can hold our left hand up long enough to record all of it. I don't know how many engines this has. We'll find out. It looks like one, not 2. This is Sunday, November the 2nd, 2025. Oh, getting close to 12 o'clock. Maybe 60 degrees, going to 65, 42 tonight. Back up to 64, 65 tomorrow. Same thing tomorrow night, Tuesday. It's not a long train, and we're not going to try to run down there and get the end. We'll break our silly neck going down this hill. There's the Decatur Depot. Looking across the tracks behind those bushes used to be the Decatur Taxi on the other side over there. The building on the corner, which is now Doggy Daycare, was Trinity Glass Company. The other corner over there was a tire dealership, but then for the longest time it was Babyland General. See, Decatur still has that car pulled over up there. That's interesting. That's taking longer than a normal write me a ticket stop. Over there used to be Willie Bradford's Barbershop. You got Trackside Tavern. Down there on the corner used to be Pizza by Candlelight. Loved that place. Okay, let's wrap this video up. We have pictures, not video. This is before we got into video, of the depot before it was moved back off the tracks, before it was restored, and pictures of these old wagons and stuff, and the old oak tree that they tore down when they moved the depot back, all of that. So anyway, that's looking into Atlanta. Agnes Scott College is right over there, and this is looking towards Stone Mountain. We went on a field trip from here, caught a train and went to Stone Mountain one time from here, and when I was at Glenwood Grammar School. Okay, let's end this. Let's wrap it up.